Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to show you how we can create and do the real graphics views inside SolidWorks 2021, and I'll start from scratch. So here we are loading the SolidWorks 2021 and it's starting up. And by the way, I just installed the program. So what's going to do in front of you, I think it will be a guidelines to everyone who needs to activate the real graphics views inside SolidWorks, especially after the recent updates which Nvidia did uh, in, uh, in each and every graphics views we already used before. Here we go. That's the starting point of the SolidWorks, which every one of us would start with it. So when we go to part and we go to choose a specific design model, many of us needs to observe the appearance of the model we design to be like an option here to activate the real graphics views. So what we're gonna do to activate that? First of all, let me, for the first users, which we need to show them what we're doing. I'm doing anything now just to model anything in front of you to show you what do I mean with this. Uh, Here we go. That's like we are doing a circle, and that circle we will feature to be as a 3D model. So that's the normal view. This is not a real graphics views. So to activate that, first of all, we go to start menu in here and write down regedit to go inside the registry folder or the registry editor to start to modify the SolidWorks real graphics views to be done and to be activated. First we go here, H key current user, and then we choose software. We search for SolidWorks, regardless, here's the folder SolidWorks, regardless the edition or the year of the SolidWorks. All of the SolidWorks will work as the same as it should. Okay, so SolidWorks 2021, when we go inside, we search for performance. Once we go inside performance, we will see folder called graphics. We go inside, then hardware, we go inside as well. So we go here to current. There's a folder here called current. We will check one file inside, it must be there always, called render. We double click on it. We take this one as copy, then we press OK. We do not change anything in here. Then we go again into GI2 shaders. When we are inside GI2 shaders, we search for NV40. We go inside, we will find the list of all the graphics cards which is accepted by SolidWorks, and we are going to manipulate on that and add our current graphics card inside. So we go to NV40, press right click, and then we press new, then key, then paste what we already copied before, our graphics card's name, paste, and press enter. So let us expand this as well. In here, we will go inside and press right click, then new, then we will make DE word 32-bit value. And we write specifically as I'm going to do exactly what I'm doing. We write down work arounds. Okay, and press enter, and then press enter again. There is a figure here we must add. What is the figure number in here? Easy. We go to the previous folder, regardless of the name, Titan RTX, Titan, whatever it be, and double click on the workarounds in here. We take that number as a copy, then we go back in here and double click on this and paste the value which we already copied and press OK. The story ends here? No. One last step we need to do. We will take this one as well. We will copy that name again and go again in here where we will go to Nvidia Corporation. We go inside and then make new key and then paste the same name again. Nvidia or Nvidia GeForce RTX 3060 laptop GPU blah blah blah. That's my graphics card's name. My laptop is Acer Predator. Okay, inside we will take again another word workaround by choosing new D word 32-bit value workarounds and press enter. Then we check on Titans again. This figure is 4 million. We take it as copy and then go inside in here, double click on workarounds, then paste the same figure and press OK. Done. Everything is okay. We close this and this one as well. That folder NV40. We save Control S by default. I don't think it's gonna do anything. And here's the SolidWorks. We will close it out. Do not save anything. Just close the program and reopen it again. So now we're gonna see what's gonna happen. Loading history. Starting SolidWorks. Okay, here we go. New part. Then we go in here, choose this one. Here we go. It's activated, ready to use. Okay, so let us confirm that 100% from prompt. Then we do that. Midpoint plane. Here we go. Okay, then we choose that again. And we press revolve. We choose this one and press OK. Ta-da! You're ready for using the SolidWorks as we used to have, or we used to love to use. We use it as we love to use it anyway. Okay, and here we go. We can change whatever we want, whatever we like. That's it. That's all. Thank you, and enjoy using SolidWorks. Thank you.